Hey guys, at Sandy Springs, about to go to a tasting media event. This one's a little bit different because we're actually going to be doing testing out cameras and different lenses provided by KEH. So stay tuned for more. Things tend to be blown out. You don't have any texture in the oysters. You don't see, the ice kind of looks flat. You don't see. Actually, I think you use rock salt. So for this one, the next one. We are at an event at District M and KEH is here. So this is the G Master 24-70 from Sony. Feels pretty hefty compared to what I normally shoot for really sharp photos, which is the Zeiss 55. So it's not a fair comparison. This is a prime, this is a zoom, but G Master guys. Feel free to take pictures of some of the garnishes. You're not only limited to this. You can take pictures. Take pictures of the glasses. Test out your lens. If you have a question. Here we have an influencer in his natural habitat. Watch as he operates the camera. Him, Chef Jackie Chan over there, it's the man, doing some cooking demonstrations, capturing flame in action pretty much. Droolius is leading the events right here, teaching it. A bunch of influencers with their camera. I'm actually using out the 24-70 GM Master right here, beefy lens. I'm actually in APS-C mode so I can get a little bit more stretch because I'm not shooting a longer 12-photo lens. So, back to the class.
Okay, so it's going to sound like, I don't know if this is even going to be possible. So that way it creates frames. When you do that, you have to definitely go through your footage and pick out the best one.
Cream brulee avocado, and it has some kind of, I wonder if it's the yuzu citrus sauce that he had at his poke spot up in Alpharetta. I'll taste. And tasty, very refreshing. Woo. Slippery little fella. Struggles. Okay, let me put this down. Alright guys, taking a bite. This was served a little bit colder. Very refreshing kind of summer appetizer to start off with. Check this out. So the lemon is actually just a garnish. Don't sprinkle that on there. It's pretty amazing. It looks so juicy. Fail right there. Alright guys, so we're finishing up with desserts. Caramel, thank you. So all the berries on that, guys. Looks really delicious. Not as overly sweet as their other dessert options. So if you want to go on a lighter kind of fare, but still treat yourself after a tasting of it at District M, definitely order the caramel pudding. Looks very good.